Some people have commented about the character jumping twice. I believe most of it is coming from holding down the space button. If I hold it down, the character is just going to keep on jumping. The first thing you want to do is go to the idle state and make sure that OnEnter for idle, you want to set jump back to false. Basically, I'm setting all the keys back to false whenever we're at idle. And in addition to this, I want to stop the character jumping whenever you're holding the space key down. I'm going to press Ctrl T and look for a script called animation progress. Here we have a public variable called jumped. I'm going to go back to idle and make sure that we only jump if that variable is false. And we only turn the variable back to false if we let go of the jump key. I'm going to press Ctrl T, look for the jump script, and I'm going to get rid of this. We don't want to turn this back to false at the end of the jump. We want to turn it back to false when we let go of the jump key. So if I look at all the references for the jumped, the only time we turn it back to false is when we're letting go of the space key. Now if I go back to Unity, and if I click play, I'm now going to hold down the space key. And even if I hold it down, the character is not going to jump. I would have to let go and then press it again in order to jump. If you're having any problems with the jump, make sure that you download one of the packages or the latest version from the links below and check out the working version first. So that'll be it for this video. Thanks for watching.